Hello everyone, my name is the Dump Engineer. In this quick 3 minutes run through, I'll show you how to build a face detection app using OpenCV, one of the simplest and most powerful computer vision libraries in Python. By the end of this video, you will be able to detect faces in images or even live webcam videos, all with just a few lines of code. Let's dive in. First, let's set up OpenCV. You can install it using Python's pip feature. Simply type pip install OpenCV. Once installed, import the library and load the HAR cascade classifier, a pre-trained model included with OpenCV for detecting faces. Next, load an image where you want to detect faces. OpenCV uses grayscale for detection, so we convert the image first. Now let's detect faces. We write this function to return coordinates for each detected face. Then we add rectangles. Each rectangle marks a detected face. Finally, we display the results. Run this code and OpenCV will display the image with all detected faces highlighted. And that's it, a quick run through of face detection using OpenCV in Python. If you found this helpful, like this video, drop a comment and subscribe for more computer vision tutorials.